This morning I'm meeting the painter at the job site so that we can talk about how we're going to tackle the painting at the Acton project, as the bathroom is ready for paint, but not necessarily the kitchen. So we're going to have to do this in stages. So this morning I am here bright and early, and beautiful cold morning in Acton, ready to get this week going the right way. So come along with me, I'll take you inside. Let's go. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love, because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey, or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. All right, so here we go. Let's see if the door is unlocked and ready for workers. Nope, gotta go get the key from the lock. All right, let's do this. This is actually it's not a bad morning, but let's get this key out of here. Now that the door is unlocked, now I can come in. All right. All right, Helanis, let's take a look at this. This is ready for cabinet install. I like it. Very, no, you didn't come here. No, okay, all right. So I'm going to show you. So the painting will be in this area here, ceiling and the walls, and then the eating area over here. And I think they need this room painted as well. So, so these rooms here. And then I'll show you the bathroom. So ceilings and everything. It's still a work in progress. But then let's go look at the bathroom. That's right. So, of course, it will be painting this wall on the outside and here. And then I'm assuming it would be the same color, the same yellow, because if not, this would be all like additional, so I would want you to quote this separately. But here's the bathroom, and I haven't been here for a week or since Christmas, before Christmas. So it would be painting the wainscot like this. Yeah. So this is the area over here by the tub. This is where we want this we need this painted so that we can take the tub, put it over there. It's kind of a very complicated job. It's a lot of moving parts and pieces that need to go together. I think it's going to be the same color. This color here is going to go on this in the trim. But I'll get that confirmed with the homeowner.
How about the door?
I think all of it gets painted. Oh, this is all finished. The water closet here. So this is all ready to roll, huh? Yeah. Hold on, this is like. Oh, I like your enthusiasm over here.
So they gonna come, the guys who works here gonna clean, or so it's.
I would say the guys who are working, they're probably going to vacuum, but I would assume that you still need to do your own prep,
Yes.
So yeah, so that door would probably be painted. I'll get from the homeowner, but I think is all going to be this is Sherwin-Williams evergreen fog.
Okay.
So
Color,
yeah, so it's a nice color, so I think, if I remember correctly, we were talking about the walls and the wainscot like all the same color, I think.
but a different
I would say probably different finish, like maybe satin for but I'm going to get you that information. Probably even before we leave, the homeowner would come out and we can talk. They're really good at that. All right, so then all of this, so in all reality, Havana, is this area over here, so we can put the vanity in that area, is the parts that are kind of critical that we want you to do. And then obviously the whole bathroom is great. The whole bathroom will be fine.
Paint first?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, that would be awesome if you can, because then the guys can come up and put the vanities up, and then they can template on Friday when they're coming to template for the countertop.
Yes.
So that would be fantastic if you do that. Yes. Yep. And then, all right, so I'll let you be. You do your thing, taking a look, and I'll
So,
text the homeowner.
those are seals, so I think it's not opening yet. So
Yeah, these windows are historical windows. They're super old, and I don't think there's much we can do other than just paint them and,
surface, yeah.
like, I don't know. We'll find out anyways, but I believe it's been so long since I've been talking with them that I forget things, and I don't have my folder with me with my notes. But I think we were talking about making it is all supposed to be one color, I think.
And the closet is gonna be.
It's just a couple of doors, like they shut, like wardrobe drawers.
Yeah.
They're doors that they might be in the other room. They're just, I think they might be like this, or they used to be in here. I'll check. Let me check. While you're doing that, I'll search for the doors, which I think are in here in this room. Maybe. I'm never wrong. What happened? Oh, you did? Oh, okay, so then they are down there. And okay, I'll look. Let me go check. All right. And oh, they must be in this other room. Oh, I see doors. Right there. Or, no, those are regular big doors. So I think you're right, Hovanes. They're right here.
Okay.
Yeah. They're in this other room. Yep, that's it. That must be it. And these are the regular doors for in the dining room area. Alrighty. Oh, I see the first cabinet goes in. That's fantastic. Huh. Well, the good news is it came into the house, and that's always a plus. All right, this is looking pretty amazing right now. And I'll come back later too and show the cabinet install. when the guys are here. Okie dokie. All right, thank you so much for joining me this morning in Acton. Now, off to Concord I go, as I'm going there with the painter to look at the work now that we are ready to start painting one of these days. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye.
This is as good a day as any.